Have you been watching the drone world and feeling like you either have to drop a ton of cash or settle for something that feels like a toy? Well, DJI just changed all that. The DJI Mini 3 has officially entered what we'd call impulse buy territory. Yep, the lightweight 4K HDR camera drone that's been quietly dominating the best starter drone talks just dropped to $299, its lowest price ever. And this isn't some stripped down version or a clearance model. It's the full Mini 3 experience, now priced like a casual gadget. And honestly, that changes the way people think about drones completely. So let's dive in and see exactly how it pulls off all of this. Let's be real for a second. At this price, you're not sitting there debating specs or second-guessing if it's worth the investment. You're imagining the first place you'll fly it. Think about beach sunsets that actually look cinematic instead of completely blown out. Or those vertical clips that won't require awkward cropping before posting. Imagine pulling this little drone out of your backpack on a trip without stressing about whether it's worth bringing. The Mini 3 makes that kind of shooting effortless, and now, thanks to this price drop, it actually feels affordable for anyone curious about drones. And here's the part that makes this moment feel bigger than just a discount. You're not giving up much. The Mini 3 still weighs under 249 grams, which in the US means for most recreational users, you can skip FAA registration entirely. You still get crisp 4K HDR video that looks like you've been flying drones for years, even if this is your first time. DJI's safety features like return to home are still there, kicking in quietly whenever needed, and the stability makes your footage look intentional, not accidental. Then there's vertical shooting. It sounds small until you actually try it. Suddenly your clips are built for Instagram or TikTok instead of fighting the format. For a generation that shoots first and edits later, that alone makes the Mini 3 feel modern in a way older drones just don't. Now let's talk about bundles. The base version is $299. If you want DJI RC, which has the built-in screen controller, it's $379. And the Fly More combo is $499. This one's worth thinking about because you get extra batteries, proper carry gear, and enough flight time to enjoy the scenery instead of constantly checking battery percentages. 1 battery makes you curious. 3 batteries make you committed. That's the difference between testing a drone for 5 minutes and actually using it on a weekend adventure, a trip, or even just an evening walk when the light is perfect. What's really surprising is how wide the appeal is now. First-time buyers get the easiest entry point DJI has ever offered without sacrificing the experience. People who already have older Mini models finally have a meaningful upgrade that makes sense. And if you're thinking about gifting, this is almost unfair. There aren't many things under $300 that can genuinely wow someone the way a drone does the first time it lifts off. The Mini 3 just turned what was once a maybe someday purchase into a why not now moment. Here's the thing, this isn't just about a deal, it's about access. Drones used to feel expensive and complicated, even for people who just wanted to try them casually. Now, at $299, you don't need to overthink it. You're not sacrificing quality for affordability. You're getting one of DJI's most capable starter drones in history for a price that actually invites experimentation. And for people who love travel, videography, or even just sharing cool footage on social media, this changes the whole conversation. Suddenly, the barrier to entry feels almost non-existent, and that's rare. So if you've been waiting for a reason to finally grab a drone, this is it. The DJI Mini 3 isn't just cheaper, it makes owning a capable, fun, and portable drone feel accessible in a way it never has before. You get cinematic shots, vertical ready clips, stable flights, and DJI's safety net, all packed into a featherweight, under 249-gram drone. Honestly, at this price, it's hard to argue with. It's one of those tech moments where you go, yeah, now we get it. And suddenly, a $299 impulse buy doesn't feel impulsive at all. It feels like the right choice. That's it for today. Hope this gave you a clear idea of what makes the DJI Mini 3 so special. If you found this helpful, drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear them. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Till then, take care and see you in the next one.